Hey.
Wait a minute. Okay, go.
Hi, my name is
Matthew. Come on, you're
Matthew Poe, and this is,
I am Taylor Poe.
and this is
I'm London.
All right.
Poe.
Well, today
We will be discovering Discovery Kid, and
you're gonna be
we will be doing Mega Snow.
Wait a minute. Okay, go ahead.
Mega Snow.
Mega Snow. It's a Mega Snow
And
that
so-
Wait a minute. Wait.
And so we got our snow powder,
and we got the
whistle,
Matthew, you don't need the whistle. We only want the things that we need for this experiment.
our water.
How many ounces of water? How many ounces of water do you have?
2.5.
Look at the
2.5.
side. 2 ounces. So it's
2
2
ounces.
ounces.
And we have a
ounces.
see-through
Cup.
And this is the card for Mega Snow.
Okay. All right.
And then
We don't need that,
we'll
London.
be doing this
Oh, these
one.
are the teaspoons.
It's a little bit.
Those are what?
These are the measure spoons.
The measuring spoon. Okay. Now,
And this is
the scooper that you're gonna use.
And these
Okay.
are the beads.
We're not using the beads. This is the Mega Snow experiment.
Yeah, Mega Snow.
All right.
so. Let's get started.
Okay. So just give me a minute.
Give her a minute.
Now, what I want you to do, I have one of y'all read the directions. So the Mega Snow. Since Matthew, first of all, we want to thank Aunt Michelle for getting you this STEM experiment kit for Christmas. So, Matthew, I need you. I can't see behind through you. I need you to put the card down like it was. Put it where you can read it, Matthew.
Where is it?
Now, I'm gonna come over on this side now.
No, right there.
I'm gonna move so we can see on this side now. Mega Snow. This.
You know where it is? He's just trying to fold it.
And now,
Okay.
using the snow powder scoop, place a scoop full of powder into a cup.
Okay.
So we're gonna.
So wait a minute. Do you need some scissors to cut that?
Yeah. Wendy, could you get some scissors?
Yeah, London, please, that would be helpful if you would give us some scissors.
Mom has it.
Oh, thank you, Mom. If they're London.
This is our video.
Welcome.
We're gonna cut that.
Okay. Be careful, Matthew, please.
I'll put it in.
Now, London. So this cut enough. Just make the pour it into the cup. Matthew, pour it into the scooper.
Okay.
Okay.
Y'all are doing very good on collaborating on this.
Yeah.
Wait. Is that a full scoop?
Yes. No.
Fill it up.
It needs to be all the way at the top. Don't put it all the way.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. Now it says do what now, Matthew? Reread. What did it say?
Place a scoop full of powder into a cup.
In the cup. Okay.
Right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then
And
what?
then next, add 2 ounces / 59 millimeters of water into the cup.
Okay. Now let's make sure about this water. I was concerned.
That we
Did you put? Let me see.
I think I passed the line away.
Yes, you did. That's too much. Supposed to be at the line.
Okay.
Okay, so pour it down at the line.
Yeah, needs to be at the line. I'm gonna see it. I'm done.
Is this?
This is it.
Come, let me see. I can't see from over there.
That's
London.
it. Okay, it looks like sugar, guys. See.
Yeah, it says 2 ounces. Okay.
Mom, this is our first time making
Okay, Matthew, since
It
it's
is.
yours,
And you're doing it by
you can
yourself.
do it.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I'm
2
doing the
ounces.
rest.
Okay, so pour it in there. What does it say now?
Pour 2 ounces.
Of water to the cup.
Okay, slow down, slow down. I got a lot of water under me. Okay, let's see.
Whoa.
What is this doing?
It's turning into snow.
Okay, I can't see because you're in the way. Wow, it turned in that quickly, didn't it?
Yep.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, wow.
Wow.
Okay, so what am I supposed to do? Come up a little closer.
This is how I make this.
Matthew, London.
Watch the snow powder experience. Now have fun with the snow that won't freeze your hands.
So how does it feel?
Stop.
Bring it up. Let me see the camera.
See?
Matthew?
I got you instead of the snow. Hold up. I can't see.
Oh, it's soft.
Okay, Matthew, hold still.
I wonder if you could eat it.
Oh no, it's not to eat. Okay, it really does. Is it cold?
No.
Wow, okay.
Here you go, Mom.
It's very fluffy. Okay, let me see.
It's like that, guys.
Wow, that's amazing, isn't it?
It turned fast.
Mm-hmm. Okay, well.
Yum. Now I'm gonna make a snowball and throw at someone.
No, don't throw it. No. Okay, so we know how to make the mega snow, and it was quick.
Yeah, it was like.
This is
Okay,
the
let's
snow
stop right here.
right here.
Let's stop right here.